I love cold cuts. Deli meats, I'm crazy for them. How can I have them? I've just recently become a vegetarian, so I couldn't have any. But now I can. We're here at Bagel to Sandwich in Midtown. We're going to be making some plant-based deli meat sandwiches with a company called Prime Roots. Now I can have cold cuts again.
I'm here to tell you about Prime Roots. It's the first freshly sliced to order plant-based deli meat rolling out to your local delis. It's an upgrade from conventional deli meat because it's clean with no nitrates, cholesterol, soy, and it's gluten-free. Plus, it's nutritious with a good amount of protein and fiber. It tastes just like classic deli cuts because Prime Roots uses the same epicurean processes and flavorful ingredients as traditional deli meats, from grinding the meat to roasting the turkey and ham to drying the salami and pepperoni. The main ingredient is koji, which is like the roots of mushrooms, used for centuries to make soy sauce and miso. Prime Roots koji meat has the exact umami taste and texture of meat with all the good stuff, none of the bad stuff, to make mouth-watering, delicious sandwiches. We're here at BTS in Midtown to create some delicious sandwiches with selections from Prime Roots deli meats.
My name is Carlos, and today we're going to use plant-based meat, Prime Roots, and we're going to make an Italian sandwich. So we're cutting the ham. So this is the ham. We already have the lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. And now we're going to cut the pepperoni. We're going to take all this out. So we're cutting the pepperoni. So this is the pepperoni. We're going to cut salami. There it goes. And this is the salami, and our sandwich is done. And we have our Italian sandwich, and it looks great. So now we're gonna make a turkey sandwich for this holiday, and we're gonna use a multigrain bagel. So for the turkey sandwich, you're gonna use the cracked pepper turkey, Prime Roots, and we're gonna slice it up. I'm gonna use some cranberry sauce. We already sliced, and some lettuce and tomatoes, and we're done. And our sandwich is ready. And now we're going to make a muffalata sandwich on a focaccia bread, and we're going to use some pickled veggies for the muffalata. Lettuce and tomatoes, onions, and oil and vinegar. And we're going to cut all the meats that we need. We're going to use salami for the muffalata. So we got the salami, and now we're going to cut the ham. And this is the ham, and our sandwich, it's done. So we're going to cut it. And looks great. So now we're gonna make a special BTS sandwich, 100% vegan. So that will be turkey, avocado, arugula, and will be on a ciabatta bread. So we're gonna slice up the meat and this cracked pepper turkey. We're gonna use avocado, tomato, and arugula. We're slicing the avocado, and we're gonna put it all over. So it looks nice. Then we have the arugula. Final step, oil and vinegar. We have the BTS vegan cracked pepper turkey sandwich.
Enjoy these selections from Prime Roots at your favorite deli, restaurant, or grocer, like the classic smoked koji turkey, infused with smoky flavor for a savory dip, honoring American smokehouse culture, or the cracked pepper koji turkey, oven roasted koji turkey seasoned simply with a cracked black pepper, or the classic smoked koji ham infused with smoky flavor for a savory dip, and the Sugar Shack maple koji ham, flavored with the subtle sweetness of maple syrup from upstate New York. A classic koji ham inspired by the German tradition is the Black Forest koji ham with notes of juniper, garlic, and coriander. We love all these products, and you will also. Visit them online to find out more or where they're available in your area at primeroots.com.